Eat it. This thing vibrates like crazy. It's like a siren. But okay, now let's. This thing vibrates like crazy, and it sounds like a siren. It sounds like an actual siren. Okay, guys, this thing legitimately sounds like an actual siren. But okay, let's begin the destruction. Oh my god, that's disgusting. Oh my god, it's completely filled with water. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. This thing is vibrating like it has nothing better to do. Yeah, eat your friend. That's so disgusting. It's a car. Okay, now let's get to the description. Drink it! Drink it! Drink it! Okay, this is starting to get empty somehow, but, well, you know. Drink it! Drink it! Drink it, you stupid hunk of junk. Oh my god, it's drinking. Okay, guys, stay hydrated. Like this vacuum cleaner. Stay hydrated like this vacuum cleaner. Really? Come on, stupid hunk of junk. Oh, wait, you hear that? I think water got some of the internal circuit boards. Yeah, some water got in the circuit boards. Ugh, it's really gonna tap out that easy. I'm going out to basic. Oh, it's smoking. Lithium battery. Okay, guys, so one thing that you might or might not know about lithium batteries is that when they get dented or get wet, they explode. They explode. And I smelled metal. I smelled like ignited fireworks smell. So let's see if it explodes. I got a water drum right there. Let's throw a container and then a dog bowl of extra water, just in case. It's going to explode. Come on, explode for the viewers. 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 Ugh, when is it gonna explode? Okay, guys, I'll put it in a short if it explodes or not. Goodbye.